Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about common mistakes in data analysis and how to avoid them. So first of all, I would say, have you ever made a decision based on data only to realize that later that your insights were flawed? So it happens more often than you think. Mistakes in data analysis can lead to a wrong business decisions, wasted resources, and lost opportunities. And the worst part is most of these mistakes are avoidable if you know what to look out for. So in this video, we will go over 6 common data analysis mistakes that even experienced analysts make, and more importantly, how to avoid them. So if you want to improve your data skills and make better data-driven decisions, stick around. So let's start with our first slide. Mistakes number one, like not defining clear objectives. Imagine like getting in your car and driving without knowing where you are going. Sounds ridiculous, right? So, but that's exactly what happens when you start analyzing data without a clear objective. So why this is a problem? So many analysts dive straight into the exploring the data sets, running models and generating visualizations without even first defining what they actually need to answer. So as a result, as a result, like they just confusing. They just got confusion and like unfocused insights they just got, and they don't drive actions. So how to avoid these mistakes? Like ask the real questions before touching any in a data sets. So what is the business problem we are trying to solve, or who will use this data? Who will use this analysis? What decisions will be made on basis on these insights? You can also define key metrics and success criteria. If you're analyzing the sales performance, uh, you are measuring revenue, profit margin, or conversion rate or not. So if you are tracking customer behavior, should you focus on churn rate or retention or average order value or not? So real world, there are some real world examples like e-commerce and different are you trying to reduce the cart adornment or not? Are we optimizing pricing strategies or not? So for e-commerce company, they want to improve their sales, and instead of just analyzing all their customer data, define some specific goals first. So having clear objectives saves time and ensure your data insights are relevant and actionable. So after that, the second mistake I would say, uh, poor data quality, and understanding the impact of data quality. You are probably heard this phrase before, like garbage in and garbage out. Like even the most sophisticated analysis would not save you if your data is bad. So common data quality issues including like missing or incomplete data, like duplicates that screwed analysis, inconsistent formats, and bias that distort results. So how to avoid this mistake? So step one, I would say, check for missing values. Use different we use mainly use in our Jupyter notebook that def dot is null, and sum function in Python to spot gaps in your data set. So filling missing values appropriately use you can use mean, median, and predictive models depending on the case. You can also remove duplicates, like duplicate data can in because like it can infinite statistics and mislead decision making process. So always check for duplicates using SQL or pandas. Step 3, I would say, standardize data formats. Ensure data you have that standardized data formats like date or currencies or categorical values are in that, uh, in a consistent format, so we can avoid any misinterpretation. So as a real world example, I would say like a retail company analyzing customer orders. So they find out that their reports showed three different dates like format. Uh, so these inconsistencies lead to incorrect time-based trends. By standardizing this format first, they got accurate insights. So after that, I would say mistake number three is uh, ignoring the context and business understanding. So data does not exist in isolation. Like numbers alone don't even tell the full story. So why is this problem? Like without context, analyst risk drawing wrong conclusions from the data. A company sees declining revenue and assumes that customers are not even interested in their products. But what if it's just because of competitor just launched a discount campaign, or maybe like seasonally it's affecting demands. So how to avoid them? So avoid these all the mistakes. Always align analysis with business knowledge. Like talk with stakeholders and cross-check trends with external factors. Don't even blindly trust on numbers. Ask why they look the way they do. So mistake number four, I would say misinterpreting correlation as a cohesion. Uh, One of the biggest trap in the data analysis is assuming that correlation means cohesion. No, it's not. Like just because they two trends move together doesn't mean that one causes the other. So example like I would say ice cream sales and shark attacks both increase in the summer. It doesn't like does like eating ice cream cause the shark attack? No, right? So it is just that more people are at the beach. Like how to avoid this mistake? Use strategical test like A/B testing or regression analysis to confirm this. Apply domain expertise. Does the relations make logical sense or not? Test with controlled experiments before making decisions. You can all so f- Mistake number five, I would say poor data visualization practices. Bad visualization can distort your message and mislead stakeholders. So commonly mistakes are like using they don't even use pie chart for too many categories. Don't use that. Or competing dashboards with exclusive data and not labeling access correctly. So how to avoid this all the mistakes that we already talk about that. So choose the right chart, I would say, for right data. Keep it clean and simple and focused. Use color strategical to highlight key insights. And mistake number six, I would say overcomplicating the analysis. Like complex doesn't always mean better. Like keep it simple first of all, and avoid using unnecessary advanced models when a simple like pivot table can answer the question. Prioritize clarity over complexity. So if like stakeholders don't understand your findings, they are useless. So like these are the like all the mistakes that we have to avoid. So as a conclusion and a call to action, I would say let's recap that. First of all, I would say define clear objectives, ensure data quality, uh, consider business context, don't confuse correlation with cohesion, use effective visualization, and keep it simple. So if you found this